into me like I'm into you.
In today's video, I am going to be swatching out the Live Glam times Laura Mellado lipsticks. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's jump right into the video. Okay, so in this collection there are 3 lipsticks. The first one is called Boutique, and then Love, and 1992. So there is 2 lipsticks that are glossy, and then there's one that is matte. So let's see how they look on the lips. Okay, so my lips are bare. I did put a little foundation over it, so don't mind that. So the first one I am going to be trying, it is 1992, and this one it is the matte color.
No me vuelvas a decir, bebé, yo no soy tuyo ni de nadie, yo soy solo de mí. No me vuelvas a decir, bebé, ya tú lo sabes que yo no estoy ni un poquito pa' ti.
The next color I am going to be trying is Love.
Pa' ti, no me vuelvas a decir, bebé, yo no soy tuyo ni de nadie, yo soy solo de mí. Y no me vuelvas a decir, bebé, ya tú lo sabes que yo no estoy ni un poquito pa' ti.
The last lipstick is Boutique. This one is also a glossy color, and it does have a little bit more of like glittery. I don't know if you can see it, but let's see how this looks on my lips. So something that you can do also is apply one of the lip glosses on top of the matte lipstick. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do. So I'm over here applying 1992 on my lips once again. And now for choosing the lip gloss, I am either going to do, I only have 2 options, but I have Love and Boutique, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and go with Boutique.
No soy tuyo ni de nadie, yo soy solo de mí, y no me vuelvas a decir nada.
I personally like to put lip gloss on top of my matte lipsticks, but that's just depending on which look I'm going for. But usually I will put lip glosses on top of my matte lipstick, but this is how it looks. Glossy. I would recommend these lipsticks to anybody, but I don't think they're on sale anymore if I'm not mistaken. But if you have them, then I hope you like them as well. I personally do like them because the colors are obviously all matte, and I'm a sucker for matte lipsticks. So that's pretty much what I wear on a daily basis or when I do my makeup. And especially these ones smell like so good. I can't really describe the smell. Like, it just smells like cupcake or something, like vanilla. They just smell really good. Alright, you guys, that's it for today's video. Very short and simple. But go ahead and let me know down below in the comments which one was your favorite shade. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!